Oh my goodness, Cardano is fails now. What's the prediction in upcoming days? Cardano moving up or fails down like that? You can see here minus 2.37% fails down. This is very important video for all of you, my friend. If you are a holder, especially because I told you, my friend, I have one big idea for all holder. Then I hope you or they make you millionaire. Absolutely, if you follow this, what I tell you, my friend, on this video. So kindly, this is just 2-minute video. I hope they make you millionaire. So my friend, Cardano holder this time in the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and definitely you can see here this time minus 2.31% fails down. So what's the big reason of this fall, my friend? You can see here they fails down like a rocket. So definitely the one big reason as that, my friend. So this is the start of month and every crypto coin is very badly fails down in the start of month. But I think this is not a big reason, my friend. The big reason as that, my friend, to people starting selling. Absolutely, exactly. If people starting selling, then definitely they change occur as a negative and they fails now. So I think, my friend, if we want to they make us millionaire, then absolutely we are wait for a good time. We need to wait for a good time and sell it. This time if you are start selling, then exactly, my friends, they cannot give you very good profit, and they are you are in the completely and the loss. So please kindly holder, please hold it and don't sell it. And please, if you want to invest more, then exactly I think this is very good time, because more space is free, my friends. So all of you, please understand what I talk to you. Please hold it and don't sell it. Please wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. So kindly hold it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for videos notification.